Welcome everyone. Let's begin our lesson for today by going over the learning goals and success criteria. First, what are we learning? We're learning how to solve multi-step equations for a variable. How are we learning it? Through the Step It Up assignment. When can we use this information? To determine how long it might take you to save up enough money to buy a car. How do we know we learned it? By getting a score of 4 on the Step It Up assignment. Now let's take a look at our agenda for today. We will begin by going over the learning goals and success criteria. While we do that, you'll fill out your Get It Started. After that, I'll give you time to complete the Step It Up assignment on Desmos. At the end of class, we'll go back over our learning goals and success criteria while you fill out your Before You Go. Your only homework for tonight is to continue working on the linear equation study guide and any incomplete assignments that you may have. Let's talk now about how to sign in to Desmos to complete your work. So what we're going to do is you're going to click on the link to go to the assignment, and it should take you to a page that looks kind of like this. And right here where it says sign in with Google, we're going to click there. It's going to pop up with our email accounts. You're going to click on your school email account, and it should already have you logged in because you should have already been logged in using Google Classroom. From there, I'm just going to click Start the Activity, and it will take me into the assignment and allow me to begin. So that's how you will log in to Desmos using Google. Let's take a look now at the Step It Up assignment. The assignment begins with the learning goals and success criteria. If we scroll down, there's a link here to take us to the Desmos activity. Go ahead and click on that link, and it should take us to a page that looks like this. We'll go ahead and click Start the Activity. Let's go ahead and click Next, and it takes us to a page that looks like this, and it gives us a little scratch pad here, and we're going to put our answer right here for what we determined to be the solution to the multi-step equation. So I can go ahead and show my work. I'm going to go ahead and subtract 9 from both sides here. And I'm going to try to solve this. So I'm just going to go ahead and follow the steps. And let's say that I determine that the answer is 4. I'm going to go ahead and put 4. And notice an X popped up right here. That tells me that the answer is incorrect. So that means I need to go back and redo it. So I keep trying answers. So let's say the next time I try it, I get 6. Well, that's still wrong. Until I get the right answer, which in this case is 3, and I get a smiley face. The smiley face tells me that I did it correctly, and then I can go ahead and click Next and move on to the next one. You'll show your work in these boxes and then put your answers here. It will tell you whether you got the answer correct or incorrect. So if you get it incorrect, go back and make the corrections. And you'll continue doing that all the way until you get to the end. Once you get to the end, we'll go ahead and go back to our Google form and click Next. This will take you to your Before You Go. Go ahead and fill out your Before You Go and then submit your work on Google Classroom.